Today we're doing spark plugs on this 2.0. So this is the turbo here. First we're just going to flip this cover up. So these are the coils. These bolts here are 10 millimeters. After you get those bolts out, just pull them out. You see in there spark plug holes. Get the wrench to pull those. So I'm using this pretty long extension, which you probably don't need that long, and a 5/8 socket. You notice the spark plug sockets, there's a light on there. There's a rubber in there. Now that's supposed to grip the spark plug so you can pull it out with the socket. This one's kind of worn down, so that's not going to probably happen with this one. Yeah, that didn't happen with this one. So I got my little magnet, pull it out. Here's the spark plug that we're replacing all of them. So I'm just going to get the rest of them out here. Here's new spark plugs. Box here. It's actually a box with a box. Now these are already gapped, but I still check them because these ends could be bent. Just make sure there's a space and doesn't look bent, and it should be good. So that one looks good. Don't just throw it in there. I like to kind of set it in there. So check all of them. Make sure they all look like they're good. Now we can tighten them up. I don't put my wrench on it right away. I'm just using my hand. What you got? just with your hand, then you don't cross thread. And you can feel it doesn't go anymore. And then I can put my wrench on it. Get some more on there. So get it down, and I'm just making it snug. I don't need to wrench those things as tight as can be. Move on to the next one, or you can just tighten them all by hand and then go back and tighten them with the wrench. Real easy to do. And do it in your driveway with basic tools. If you have the basic socket set, it should have everything. You know, deep socket for it. The socket set I got at home cost me, I don't know, it was like $7. And I bought it in 1997-ish. Still works fine. Tight. Got them all in. Coils back in. These are also real easy to replace. Just disconnect it, replace a coil. These wires basically only reach one way, but they're kind of in order to the cylinder on this, so it shouldn't be a problem. You shouldn't be able to mix them up. Just getting these bolts started with my finger. Try to start everything with my fingers so I don't cross thread things. Tighten them. Put this cover back on. See this? These go into these little nubs here. See, there's a back, two there. Set it on there. Push it down, turn it on, and it should be all good. Very simple, easy to do driveway stuff. Now on the turbos, it's recommended at 45,000. And on the other engines, non-turbos, about 100,000. There we go, running, sounds good, no misfires. Subscribe, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another one.